Hello fishies, how are you guys today? So for today's activity, we do have a math skill activity and it's going to be comparing quantities. So we're going to be using words like greater, lesser, and equal. And greater means more, lesser means smaller, and equal means the same. So when two quantities are the same amount. So parents, the way that we use this skill at school, the way we practice in the classroom is by using either cereal, we draw dots, we use manipulatives, or we even use their favorite Skittles. So for today's activity, I'm going to be using some beans or noodles and any items that you have at home that can be used for counting purposes and comparing quantities with your loved ones, with your little fishies. You should happily be able to use them. All right, so let's go ahead and start with some beans. So what I usually do is I set a napkin when I use food items for the kiddos in the classroom, and we either sort things out. But for today's activity, since we're comparing quantities, I just want to go over some of the skills that we use in the classroom and how you can help them at home while they're home right now. So I always start off with just a little bit, and I have them put them in the middle. And when we're doing this activity, we usually do it, and I have them even practice their counting. So what I ask of them to do is either to put a little bit of amount on one side. So I will tell them either, can you put 5 beans on your one side of your napkin? So they'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then on the other side of their napkin, I'll either ask them, can you put 3 beans down? So 1, 2, 3. Now this is where they're practicing their comparing in quantities. So I'll ask them, all right, fishies, which one is greater? And they'll either say the side that has 3 beans or the side that has 5 beans. And the greater amount, fishies, is 5 beans. So now I can either ask them which one is lesser. And it's the 3 beans. Are they equal? No, they are not equal because one side has 5 beans and the other side has 3 beans. And it's very important that you ask them why. What's the reasoning? Why is that one greater? Why is that one lesser? And that one is equal? And why are they not equal? So another thing you can even do is that they enjoy is you can just grab a little bit of beans in your hand, put some on this side, and then put some on that side, because they're not always going to have like a worksheet where it tells them to count it. Sometimes it'll just have 2 sort of amounts of quantities for them to go over, and then have them count them on their own. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then ask them to tell you which one is greater, and they'll tell you, and which one's lesser. Are they equal or are they not equal? Why are they not equal and why are they equal? So it's a fun little activity that you can do at home with your fishies, and fishies you can help by sitting down nicely and doing this fun activity at home. So like I said, you guys are able to use home items with this activity. Either use beans, noodles, anything that you have, Legos. If you have Barbie shoes, you can use that to compare quantities. I hope this was helpful. So bye guys, see you later.